Do you want to earn thousands of dollars while you sleep? You can earn thousands and thousands of dollars from YouTube and Instagram. So you may be like, I'm very camera shy, I can't do that. But I have the solution for you. It's artificial intelligence. It can literally do everything for you, from writing scripts to ideas to images to mostly everything. All you need to do is a little bit of editing, little bit of captions, and then just uploading it or making shorts, and that's basically all you need to do. So first one is actually about creating AI videos. So you have to just search for runaway ml, and the first link is the best link, and then go here and click try runaway for free. So now this is the dashboard. Let's start with image. Now I will upload a file or select from assets. So I'm just going to upload a file. It will take 1 minute or shorter than that. So while it is doing that, let me go to our second tool, which will be Bing AI. So you just have to go to bing.com/create. You will have to do the login part, but I am not going to do that because it takes a Google account to log in. Now you can search anything just like you will do it with Midjourney. If you didn't have heard about Midjourney, it's fine, okay? So Midjourney is just about creating images using AI. But you may be like, then what is this? It's better Midjourney. So it is trained by an AI called DAL-E, which I think you are familiar with it because it was the most famous thing few years ago, but now it's paid and it's flipping expensive. But this thing, it's free, it's completely free. So now I will say, oh, it's so cute. I don't know, I said three eyes, but anyways it gives me four eyes here, but it's great. It's look like a very nice alien. This is cute, this is very cute. You can now upload these images to Instagram and earn lots of money. One more thing that I have to tell you is that money and monetization only works for US and UK and the biggest Western countries in Instagram. But YouTube monetization is for everyone. So the third AI tool is in video AI. What it does is that it can create any video or shorts or long form videos or even Instagram reels just from the text you will see. So we can select one of this workflow. I will just go to YouTube Shorts because it's faster. And the topic about, I will use a male voice and a clear American one. I will add this subtitles, and I will say don't use iStock at all. And then we will continue and we will say generate a video. Now it will take few minutes, then it will give it our new video. Now you will have to select what you are going to target to. So I'm going to target you to the general public. Then I will use clean and YouTube Shorts. I will continue and it will take a few minutes. And now here it is. Actually, it just took 2 minutes. I have counted that. So let's see the final result. Review time.
Ever wonder why your mom always
So
pushed you to
yeah,
finish your
that's
veggies? Here's
funny.
why.
That's simple
Vegetables
and
are
very
loaded
nice
with
cook.
essential nutrients,
And it's
vitamins,
mainly
and
for children.
minerals.
I can
They
see
are the
that, but it's
body's
good.
fuel, helping you
Yeah,
maintain
nice
energy
quality of
levels
videos
throughout the
too.
day.
They have
Consider
and
spinach. This green
lovely
leafy superfood is a
captions.
powerhouse of iron, calcium, and vitamins
And
A, C,
actually,
and
it's
K.
not so
It
bad
aids in
AI
digestion and
voice.
boosts your
It's
immune
like
system.
genuine
Then
voice. I
there's the
think it
humble
could be
carrot. Not just
monetizable,
for
you know.
bunnies, it's packed with vitamin A promoting good vision and supporting the immune system. So next time you see that plate of greens, remember, they're not just filling, they're fueling. Packed with power, vegetables keep you running at your best. Now who's ready for a salad?
That's great. That's awesome. Now I will export the video. I will use no stock market. I don't care. Normal and simple. And now it will download, and you can now download it after that. It will also generate the title for you too. And yeah, this was it. And so the next video till then. Bye. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.